We're in Canada. Yay.
Water level here, or the water level on this side.
I'm gonna let Michelle narrate my video here.
So yeah, this is actually kind of funny because we got to do this on the boat when we were on the boat tour.
We've been on that.
And I loved the Canadian side because like the buildings look older. It's so cool. So it's really cool to see it. And when you start going down, like you go down pretty fast. This is really cool to see. So we are lowering right now. That's why it's turbulent.
We just happen to be at the right place, right time. Just crossed over the bridge just a little after noon. Looks like there's a big ship way down there.
Oh yeah, we are in Ontario currently. And there's a bunch of ducks in geese over here.
And there's Michelle
And
in
there's
Canada.
a wild James.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm a wild James, all right. Boy, do I look like a tourist. Raging Bull shirt, Quamanon Falls hat.
Do I look like a tourist? I'm wearing my
Right. Just got this hat because I forgot my flags one. Representing home.
I have something in take a little walk. A walkie walk.
Well, it turns out what Michelle's looking for is not in my bag. It's in my car.
Yeah, it's in
Which
the
is
car.
just
I
like right
forgot
down
it
there,
was
so
in the
yeah.
Put it
I'll
in
go
the
grab
car.
that. Grab your hat after. Yeah, it's cool. You can see the bridge, International Bridge from here.
Oh yeah. You can see the bridge down there.
This is awesome. I didn't know if we'd be able to find it. And yeah, that was easy. There is a big ship down that way. I have to check marine traffic and see what's on the thing. Is that the Canada side? I can't tell yet.
Yeah, that's
The one back there.
Oh, that's the Walter J. McCarthy.
Is that the Walter J. McCarthy I was looking at? Nice. So I zoomed in before when I was walking up.
Yeah.
Because you'll see a lot of videos where Michelle and I are kind of talking with each other, over each other. Boy, what a team do we make, huh?
We've seen that ship a couple times now.
Yeah. So technically we saw it. There it is.
That's so cool.
Junior.
Yeah, Walter J. McCarthy Jr.
Oh yeah, we learned on the locks last time there's a movie theater. And that's the nearest movie theater in over an hour. So, like when you live on the other side of Sault, that's like where you go. Otherwise you have to go down like towards like Mackinac City. I saw that big theater.
Tambo.
Hi.
Hi.
This is awesome. I wonder how low they are. I can't see.
Come closer to me, please. Thank you. Come stand right here. Oh, they're gonna sound their horn. Remember?
Nice. Yeah, don't jump. Don't drop your phone. This is like almost as exciting as when they open the doors at Fright Fest and the monsters come out for the parade. But these monsters are coming out for an ice cruise.
Holy boat.
So which
Holy
one is that?
The yellow one is the famous Sulaks
And
boat
then behind
tour,
it you said is the
and
original?
behind it is one of the original ones.
Cool.
And look at how crowded that famous Sulaks boat tour ship is.
Neat.
The lock doors are opening.
They're still roped up.
Not for long.
Cool. Try when they come out.
Okay.
And they honked when I had my video on pause. I missed it. I still jumped though.
I did too.
Here they come. I guess that may be the only boat right now. The famous Sulaks boat tours.
Over the hill to the left is a ground building, low ground building, that's the Francis generating station.
You may notice people standing outside and waving to you. They are tourists, and you are on their social media. That's so cool. Anybody else? Nope. Looks like that's it.
Okay, cool.
That's cool. We got here at the right time.